तपाईँहरूलाई खानाको पनि भिडियो देखाउँछु है मैले दाल बनाएको छु एकदम टेस्टी दाल छ आजको एकदम टेस्टी छ क्या तपाईँले सोचेको भन्दा बढी टेस्टी छ है यसमा चाहिँ एकदम धेरै मैले चाहिँ के हालेर बनाएको छु भने तपाईँलाई भन्छु यसमा चाहिँ घिउमा झानेको छ फुरनदाना हालेर फुरनदाना भनेको चाहिँ के मिक्स हुन्छ नि त जिरा मेथी सबै मिक्स हुन्छ अनि साग पनि हालेको छ है साग चाहिँ सँगै अनि मसँग गेडागुडी पनि थियो दाल हो हुन चाहिँ यो यस्तो मैले यो भिजाएको थिएँ नि त केराउलाई गेडागुडीको रस एकदम हेल्दी छ म चाहिँ मिक्स गरेर खान्छु क्या खास अलिबेसमा हालेर खाने चाहिँ होइन तर पनि मसँग थियो खानेकुरा मलाई फेल्न मन पर्दैन अनि थोरै राइस अनि फेरि डेट एक्सपायर हुन्थ्यो राखिराख्यो भने त्यही भएर मैले सबै घुटुङ हालेँ यस्तो टेस्टी भएको छ
When did you have your stroke or brain injury encephalitis?
Very tasty.
The aphasia group were practicing their language and communication skills.
And one, two, and two.
That was so good. That is a mouthful.
Aphasia, difficulty understanding, writing, or speaking language, can result from multiple types of injuries to the brain. One of the members of this special group is former Congresswoman Gabby Giffords.
I'm from Tirsana, Arizona. Born and raised. Shot in my head 2011.
About 2 fingers. All right.
I'm getting better.
We met Giffords in Tucson to speak about her efforts to increase awareness about aphasia.
What does aphasia mean to you personally? Aphasia really sucks. The words that are in my brain, I just can't get them out. I love to talk. I'm Gabby, and I'm so quiet now.
Giffords and speech therapist Fabi Hirsch have worked together closely for almost a decade.
What is therapy like for you? A lot of homework. Whenever I give you a choice of fewer options, less homework, you always ask for more. And so it really speaks to her determination and hard work.
Yes. Where do you think that comes
यसमा
from?
त आलु पनि छ तोरे एकदम टेस्टी छ क्या यो खाना
I think it's just two of us.
Members of the group each wear a bracelet. Written on the inside, the words aphasia, loss of words, not intelligence.
everything include fiber vitamin
Difficulty when they
protein
say a word that's incorrect. People often will misconstrue that as the person just not being all there, but it's not. Just because of the injury to the brain.
Giffords has made remarkable gains in her ability to speak, with therapy twice a week.
Your favorite thing about coming to aphasia groups? Hope.
Friends, family.
अगाएँ म
That's probably the last place I want to be, but what I can say is we are sending a clear message to Putin.
He called Putin self-defeating and reckless, but he stopped short of calling him a terrorist. He admitted Russia is terrorizing innocent Ukrainians by hitting civilian targets, and on Tuesday, trying to take out the
tasty
country's electrical grid.
दाल
In what the Pentagon calls
Very
likely
tasty.
the largest wave of missiles since Putin's war began. But Chalet says the U.S. can't sever ties with Russia.
The U.S. and Russia both have thousands of nuclear weapons.
시간 더
And
쓸게요.
we're interested in reducing the number of those
시간 더 쓸게요, 가나마.
ensuring that those are safely secured. And so that's something that we will continue to talk to Russia about.
वेटै म पेपर ल्याउँछु
Ukraine presses for more reliable lethal defense systems, like ATACMS, long-range missiles. Generally, Ukraine can only try to shoot down Russian missiles, not target launch sites, which proved tragic on Tuesday. Western leaders say that Ukraine, while trying to down a Russian missile, mistakenly hit a farm in Poland, killing 2 people. President Zelensky initially blamed Russia, but now says he doesn't know
very difficult time. There's going to be many challenges ahead, but I am confident that over time, Ukraine will prevail and Russia will pay the price of what has been a huge mistake for Vladimir Putin.
Amid it all, a stark assessment from the top U.S. General Mark Milley. He says despite recent successes, Ukraine isn't likely to expel Russians from the whole country anytime soon. Sasha Ingber, Newsy, the State Department.
Coming up next on Newsy Live, the White House will host President Biden's granddaughter's wedding tomorrow. We're going to take a closer look at the traditions of West Wing nuptials. But first, outgoing House Speaker Nancy Pelosi voices her support for a new generation of Democratic leadership. We'll have that for you next when Newsy Live returns.
Alice loves the scent of getting so much. She wished there was a way to make it last longer. Say hello to your fairy godmother, Alice, and long-lasting Gain scent beads. Try Spring Daydream, part of our irresistible scent collection.
When you're ready to go, but static says, whoa. Try Bounce Blast and Fresh. More freshness, more softness, less static, less wrinkles. New Bounce Lasting Fresh. Yeah, it's the sheet.
After a disaster, you don't just want something new, you want what's yours. That's why Tide Loads of Hope is expanding to provide clean clothes to more people in places. With every purchase of Tide Ultimate Clean, you can help too.
JC tried Gain Flakes for the first time the other day. The scent did quite an impression. It was like that talent and JC were the only two left on Earth. But they weren't. You could always spot a first timer. Gain Flakes was also boosted for praise. Seriously good scent. Bye-bye tough odors. Try Gain Odor Defense.
Did you know some of your detergent's fragrance disappears in the dryer? That's why clothes may look clean, but not smell clean. Downy in-wash scent boosters survive the washer and dryer.
We don't need to clean the dishes. Already I cleaned.
In-wash scent boosters into your washing machine.
Wow, how tasty food.
Freshness on clothes, bedding, and all your favorite fabrics. Squeeze and snip to find your perfect scent and enjoy freshness that lasts 6 times longer with Downy in-wash scent boosters.
अबि मैले त भिडियो लिइरहेको छु भाइ गर्छु तिमीलाई मलाई पनि थाहा छैन फुनायो फुनायो तिर्सनाको फुनायो
Strongest, the best athlete, and we're going to get that first prize. Do you understand me? Okay.